Hey all you pioneers out there, this is Shawn with Pioneer Survival Company. Today we are going to be doing a review of the, basically it was the budget MEST kit, MEST Tarp kit over at Bushcraft Outfitters. So pretty cool kit, stay tuned. Alright guys, so what I have here today is this is the budget MEST Tarp kit over at Bushcraft Outfitters. Quick disclaimer, this is something I purchased myself, so this isn't a company sponsored review or anything like that. Anyway, so this is a MEST Tarp. And MEST stands for Multi-Purpose Emergency Survival Tarp. And let me just go over this a little bit. I think this thing ran about, about 40 some dollars, 45 maybe. I don't remember the exact amount, but it was somewhere in the $40 range. And I've purchased some other tarps from Bushcraft Outfitters, and they're really nice. They have some multicam ones with IR linings. They also have some sil nylon ones. This is just their basic MEST tarp, and this kit comes with 4 aluminum stakes, which I believe they're 7 inches. It also comes equipped with 50 feet of paracord. It comes with this nice durable stuff sack, which you can see everything fits nicely into. And then this is a 5x8 MEST tarp. This is made of a durable ripstop nylon, and it is urethane coated. This thing has 10 of the tie-out points, and I mean everything's pretty good here. It's got the double stitching at the top. It's pretty sturdy. I've had this out in a thunderstorm the other night, and I was just doing a lean-to position, and I stayed nice and dry. So you can see it's pretty good length. This kit just came in coyote. I think at other times I think they might offer an olive, but this one that I got was coyote, and it's a real versatile tarp. I mean, I like it a lot. You know, all your edges are hemmed up here. It's very taut, and it's got the glossy side, and then your outer side's just the coyote brown. So I have been nothing but pleased with this thing. I definitely recommend it, and I'm going to go throw it up here for my campsite. We're doing a little stealth camping today. And as you can see, I have the stuff sack. Real easy to pick back up when you're tearing down camp. What I really like about this sack is it's a nice oversized stuff sack. It's not one of these things where you pull it out and then, you know, you're really struggling to get it back in. You can either fold this tarp up to get it nice and compact, or like I said, this stuff sack just accommodates putting it in. Just shove my stakes back in there, tighten it all up, and when you're done, this thing only weighs a pound. So 16 ounces. I don't know if you can compress enough, you might be able to fit in a cargo pocket, but you can definitely fit this in a small bag, small hip bag, backpack, very easy to store. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Please feel free to visit us over at pioneersurvivalcompany.com. Also, you can see us at Pioneer Survival Company on Facebook and on Instagram. Have a great day.